Footballers' home transformations. You won't believe the last one. Stick around until the very end. If you're a Messi fan, drop a like. Ronaldo supporters, leave a comment down below. Let's settle who comes out on top. Starting at number 1, Bukayo Saka. Number 2, Raheem Sterling. Number 3, Alexis Sanchez. Number 4, Zinedine Zidane. Number 5, Karim Benzema. Number 6, Neymar Jr. Number 7, David Beckham. Number 8, Kevin De Bruyne. Number 9, Jude Bellingham. If you enjoy what you're seeing, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed. Number 10, Vinicius Jr. Number 11, Lamine Yamal. Number 12, Erling Haaland. Number 13, Lionel Messi. Number 14, Cristiano Ronaldo. All right, football fans, Messi lovers, drop a comment. Ronaldo fans, smash that like button. Let's see who takes the crown. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.